Now I calculate depreciation of the company asset by another method. Double declining balance function depreciates values of an asset for a specified period. By using this function, you can calculate your depreciation values of an asset. You can control the depreciation values of an asset. In this box, select this cell reference, press tab key. In salvage box, select this cell reference, press tab key. In life box, select this cell reference, press tab key. In period box, select this cell reference, press tab key. In factor argument, you can control the depreciation value of an asset. Factor is the rate at which the balance declines. In default, 2 is entered in this argument. If you enter 2 or leave blank this box, function will return the double depreciation value. That is the reason it is called double declining balance function. Now it is assumed to be 2 in factor argument. Because default value is 2, formula result also shows that $100,000 depreciation value of an asset for the first year. Type 1 in this box. You can see the depreciation value reduces to $50,000. If you type 2 or leave blank this box, the declining or depreciation value increases to $100,000. If you type 3, the depreciation value increases. If you type 0.5, the depreciation value decreases. So by using factor argument, you can get your own depreciation value and control the depreciation values of an asset. But in default, 2 is entered in this box, which calculates double depreciation of an asset. That is the reason it is called double declining balance method. Click OK. So after the 1 year, depreciation value of an asset decreases to $25,000 and the cost of the company asset will remain $475,000 at the end of first year. Click in formula bar. Make the absolute position of cell references. Press F4 key. Press F4 key. Press F4 key. Press enter key. Again active this cell. Press mouse and drag to right. So at the end of 10 year, depreciation value reduces to $15,756 and the cost of the company asset at the end of 10 year will be $299,368.